So how do I even start with guides? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a view. Views are UI templates that you can use to customize your agent's workspace. For example, you can use views to display contact attributes to an agent, provide forms for agents to fill out, enter call notes, and even combine multiple views to walk agents through step-by-step guides. The content for a specific view is composed of three key elements: a template, whether that's an AWS template or custom created, a schema that defines the dynamic values of the template, and actions the agent can take. In order to get started creating views, you will need to make sure you have the right security permissions. This can be done by ensuring you configure your security profile to the proper permissions listed in our documentation. Once you log into the Amazon Connect console, navigate on the left-hand side to routing and select flows. Once on the flows page, select the views tab across the top. There are two kinds of views. There are AWS managed views and customer managed views. If this is your first time on this page, you will only see 5 views: cards, confirmation, detail, form, and list. These 5 views are AWS managed. Amazon Connect includes a set of views that you can add to your agent's workspace. If you click one of them, you'll be brought to the editor, which showcases the schemas for whatever view you are looking at. These views are pre-built and allow you to quickly get started. You can make the values in these views dynamic, such as removing specific fields and bringing in contact attributes to be displayed. But if, for example, you wanted to add a form inside of a detail view, that is where you'll need to get creative with your own custom view. A customer managed view is a blank canvas for you to create a completely customized view that is built off your business needs and requirements. How do I know which one I should use? Well, that is dependent on your use case. If you want, you can easily plug and play into an existing AWS managed view and just use attributes from your contacts to be displayed. If you want to create a more sophisticated custom view that displays contact information and maybe has customized columns with additional components, with some theming, then you'll want to leverage a customized customer managed view that you can easily build using our Nocode UI Builder. You can find this Nocode UI Builder if you select Create View on the Flows page. Amazon Connect offers a Nocode UI Builder that allows you to build views from scratch to customize views for your agents that fit your needs. This feature allows you to drag and drop UI components onto the canvas, arrange your layouts, and edit the properties of each component, such as content or styling as needed. And once you're done building, you can save and publish your view. Once you've published your view, you'll see it as part of your views list with the other views you created. You can come back to it later if you need to make any adjustments or updates. But now you're ready to get started on building the contact flow that drives your step-by-step guide experience.